Welcome to the exciting holidays on May 15th. This special day is full of celebrations for everyone, no matter what you like to do. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax, there's a holiday for you. Don't forget to send happy thoughts to those having birthdays or other important events today. National Chocolate Chip Day. National Chocolate Chip Day is celebrated annually on May 15th in the United States to honor and appreciate the beloved and versatile chocolate chip. These tiny morsels of chocolate have become a favorite ingredient in various baked goods, most notably chocolate chip cookies, and are enjoyed by people of all ages. Chocolate chips were created by Ruth Graves Wakefield in 1937 when she decided to add small chunks of a semi-sweet chocolate bar to her cookie dough, which resulted in the creation of the iconic chocolate chip cookie. Today, chocolate chips are available in various forms, such as milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, and even flavored chips, making them a popular addition to numerous recipes. National Chocolate Chip Day serves as a reminder of the simple pleasure that chocolate chips bring to our lives and the countless sweet treats they've inspired throughout the years. So go ahead and enjoy some chocolate chips in your favorite form on this special day. Bring Flowers to Someone Day. While there is no specific day designated as Bring Flowers to Someone Day, the idea behind this concept is to encourage people to surprise someone they care about with a bouquet of flowers as a gesture of love, appreciation, or support. This act of kindness can brighten someone's day, strengthen relationships, and create a positive atmosphere. You can choose any day to bring flowers to someone, whether it's a friend, family member, co-worker, or even a stranger who might need a bit of cheering up. Flowers have a unique ability to convey a wide range of emotions, from love and gratitude to sympathy and support, making them a universally appreciated gift. International Family Day. International Family Day, also known as International Day of Families, is celebrated annually on May 15. Established by the United Nations in 1993, this day highlights the importance of families as the basic unit of society and raises awareness about various social, economic, and demographic issues that affect families worldwide. The International Day of Families aims to foster understanding and cooperation among families for the overall well-being and development of their members and society as a whole. Each year, the United Nations selects a specific theme for the day, focusing on different aspects of family life, such as education, health, work-life balance, and social policies that support families. International Family Day serves as a reminder of the crucial role families play in nurturing and supporting their members and shaping society. By celebrating this day, we acknowledge the diverse forms of families around the globe and promote social policies that empower and support them in their essential roles. Peace Officers Memorial Day. Peace Officers Memorial Day is observed annually in the United States on May 15th. This solemn day honors federal, state, and local law enforcement officers who have lost their lives or been disabled in the line of duty. The day was established by a joint resolution of Congress in 1962, and President John F. Kennedy signed it into law, designating May 15th as Peace Officers Memorial Day and the week in which it falls as National Police Week. On Peace Officers Memorial Day itself, flags are flown at half-staff in remembrance of those who have given their lives to protect and serve. Peace Officers Memorial Day serves as a poignant reminder of the bravery, dedication, and commitment of the men and women who risk their lives to protect and serve their communities, and it is an opportunity for the public to pay their respects to those who have made the ultimate sacrifice. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.